Daisy's getting some
Almond.
little mixed nuts from Chick-fil-A. Huh, Daisy May? Is it yummy?
You want grapey?
Are you getting spoiled today, Daisy? Okay, Mom, I'm gonna go check out the house. I think I'm gonna go sit down on the couch. Yeah, you got a lot to say. Yeah?
Daisy,
Daisy's gonna get some grapes now.
you were a good girl for your medicine. Come on.
She's got a little abscess growing on her side of her beak or cheek that we gotta deal with. You got one more piece there.
Megan.
Oh, two more. Hope everybody has a fantastic day. Come on, Daisy.